morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. As you can see, me I give you a next vlog. Yesterday I drop one, today I drop a next one. You see me? I try do the everyday vlog. Do everyday vlog for at least 10 days. So now count with me. I try drop a video on YouTube for 10 days. One video a day for 10 days. You see me? So it start from yesterday. The first vlog with the dog training thing. Now today. You see me? Today we're not nothing on the schedule. We're gonna do a bag of things still, but nothing not really planned. Probably gonna go up on the road to get some meat for cook a little more or swimmers. You see me? Today, me and Oliver got have a talk on TikTok. You see me? Me and him probably run some match and thing. This is our first in our history. We never see something like this. Me and Oliver. When I grew up on Oliver, me should have been a hype this up from my show, you know, when Oliver don't send me video. But when I man when me grew up to a watch from me a baby, my father grew up to watch him. My mother, everybody in my family know Oliver. From here, come from Jamaica, you know Oliver. This man is an icon, bro. Living legend. You see me, and him still a do it. One of the most greats in the entertainment field for Jamaica. Known icon again, make me say that. This man known all over the world. But back to what me I said. Me and him are going to go up on TikTok today. This morning, me and him made a talk. And we get him TikTok start out. So, me and him are going to go live. And, you know, we'll have vibe and thing. He's right there, so. Him a cool out. Upon him training. You know, we have him under manners, you know. We do something to make him a stay right there, so for now. You see me, so now Rome and not bother me no more. Francine over there, so I make tea. You see me? And there I go drink my tea. So now go and stay tuned. I probably screen record the TikTok match between me and Oliver. So here me excited for that. Team Trabass I hope win more than him. You see me? I know him first time I go play, but I win more side match them. So me stay tuned. Big up on yourself. Yeah, icon, living legend. You know me tell you that already. But you're a man. We are walk among normal people. You're one of the greatest. Let me just say that straight out on the internet so everybody know. Me really look up to you as a god. You see me? Thanks to me and you talk and you counsel me and school me in the game. Me really respect that. Me look up to you a lot. I'm excited for you to do this. That's what I want to say. No, you can talk.
I must tell your fans and your followers that I have the deepest of respect for you because you're one of them youth who do not allow success or fame to change you. You're a very grounded young man, and I really respect that, and I have no qualms in calling you and scolding you, and I've never felt disrespected. So, you know, I feel like you're my big son. Well, maybe one of my son because me am big old son.
Yo, I feel happy I said this, you know. This is going on my history book, I swear. This is going on my history like thanks.
Yes.
But I love it here. People who follow Oliver right now, you see me him there on TikTok. And you know we are trying to make him know how I go on the side of the world, TikTok and them thing there with the matches, all of that, you see me? So,
right.
Wait, I think you have to go hang up and call me back so we can do it. I don't think we can play the match, so. Oh no. You have to go live now, so you go live and I'll send you a request.
Alright.
So you remember the same way when I tell us to go all the way?
My grandson there, right? Just my grandson there.
Alright, so you're going to end the live here and swipe all the way, go to the right, I think, and go live. And then I'm going to send you a request again. Then we can do the match.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Good, cold bumper full me up right now. You can't see it. Yo. The cold bumper full me up right now. Alright, you don't know this. Me and him talk on a regular, you know, but it's different when we talk. On the internet, make unos, yo, cold bumper full me up right now, got you? Jesus! Alright, so now you're going to tell the team, tap the screen, tap some roses. So the match start. So we have to number who have the highest number win. So
what me fi do?
Tell them Taps and Roses.
Tell them that now.
Yeah, Taps and Roses, my side. Please make me win him. Don't make him win me for you first. Man.
Hey,
Please.
team, look here. Let me tell you something. You have to show respect by making Trabass know say. Me, I'm the elder person. I'm if you win. So tap and what? Tap and tips.
Taps and Roses.
Taps and Roses.
Come on.
Don't make Trabass win me. You cannot make me just join for the first time and make Trabass win me. That's not right.
Taps and tips.
That is not right. All right, so me I'm gonna show you say respect you. People get taps and Roses. Taps and Roses, my team. Please.
Come on, please.
Don't make Trabass beat me. I have to beat Trabass this time. Me have to beat you. Me have to beat you. My team now let me down. My team now let me down.
Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Please. Please, me nervous. In the first one.
Me have to beat you. Me have to beat you this time. First time with a proper beat. Me have to put Trabass in my place.
We are the good.
I am going to win you.
We are lead. Tajay, thank you so much, Tajay. Come on, my team. We are lead.
Me can't see writing to tell them thanks to me. Thanks to all of you. We're putting in, but Taps and Roses, please. Taps and Roses and thanks. Holy for thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks. Trabass, I will get the beaten. I will lead. No, me a lead.
No, me a lead now. Me the 826. You're the 770.
Me have a beat you. Watch it.
You are the blue line. You are the blue line.
Oh, me are the blue. And me say me are the red. Me a beat you straight. Me a beat.
Come on, me team. Baby girl, thank you. Come on, my team. 1 minute left in the game. 1 minute.
Thanks to my team. Thanks, team. Thanks. Let me beat him. Thanks, team. And me a beat Trabass. Taps and Roses.
Let me beat you. Yes, Tajay, go on.
You're not coming. Taps and Roses, my team. Thank you so very much. I have to beat Trabass. Make Trabass know that I am the elder, and he's going to get beaten. I am going to get beaten.
We are telling him say new school and lead.
Me are the elder, him to get beaten if you know him play. Me are the old elder. Me I beat you today. Me I beat you. Oh yeah, me I beat you, Trabass. Me I beat you. Yeah. Thanks to all the supporters. Thank you so very much. We have one of things to do right on this medium here. About Trabass and teach me the way. And Trabass must learn that him to get beaten. Now, when him teach the elder, he must to get beaten.
Come on.
Me I beat you, yes? Of course me I beat you. You can't win.
See,
you can't win.
You're the 1965, you're the 898.
No, sir. If the blue one am my one. If the blue one am my one, it look longer there, so. Come on, me I win. Me have to win. If me no win, me I go ball.
Look like them go snipe. Don't make them snipe.
Thank you, my team. Thank you for your support.
And
make Trabass know. Come in.
Yo, somebody snipe this, please. Please, Tajay, thank you. Yes, me team. Come on, the score.
No, Trabass, you can't get it this time. Come in, team. Come in, me have win. I have to win. Come in. Thanks, thank you.
The new school win.
Sure.
It close. You almost winning now. You almost winning. That was
man.
Yo, Jesus. I'm glad we win the first one, you know. I don't care about the you know. I'm just glad we win the first one. Come.
A few minutes later.
We shall overcome. We are going to beat Trabass. We have to beat him. Well, surprise him, man. Him not used to beating, you know. Him not used to beating, so I'm getting on. Him say, uh-uh. You know,
Yo, I never do it, you know. Me know what them a do it. That's why me hurt about the situation. Cause them a do it. Who know me win a while ago, no more him win. Alright, play a field.
I didn't love it. Them did just why you feel good in the first one.
Alright, so this is the last game my side. So
yes.
Alright,
last game. Last game, yeah, and we're gonna massacre him now. Massacre.
Everything on my side.
Mince meat.
At least me win the last game.
Mince meat,
my team, please.
We're gonna mince meat.
You talk too boy. No, me shake up him. Me shake up over this, so you talk too.
We're gonna mince meat him now. Watch out. Watch mince meat. Mince meat.
Watch me team. I go right now.
What? Hey, team Trabass. Your team I work for me. Your team I work for me, you know. Your team is working on the behalf of me. So, me sorry for you. You're going to suffer. You're going to suffer. Let me say to you.
Team, come on. Jesus Christ, come on.
Come
team. Don't you then reach already? You know,
come
the game
team.
just started.
Come me team. Show him what it is like to be beaten. Show him what it is to be like to be beaten.
I last
you me tell you? Yes, man. Oh, yes. You're not get a chance, Trabass. Not a chance. Not a chance.
Please. Let me win him now.
You know, you could have begged to tell us dead. You not get the chance. You know, tell you? Thanks, my team. Thank you, no. Thank you, no. Thanks, you, no love. Thanks, you, no offering. Thanks, you, no roses. Thanks, all of the things them wanna do.
Oliver, you're the 30K on the ranking. You go up more. You're the 30K. I have 1,000 ad. People are watching. Over 1,200 ad people are watching.
Okay.
Yeah,
so that's good. So that's good news.
Great news. Great news. My team, so make me win this at least.
No, you can't win it. You can't win it. Wait a minute, I'm not ahead of you. I'm not ahead of you.
Yeah, they're way ahead of me.
Let me not know, man. My team there, man. There, man.
Team, come on.
Yes,
team,
man.
On, please.
I mean, I got to make commentary them and all them something on live and give them the whole scoop and nice.
Yeah,
so them have
story
to me I got to tell them story. I got to tell them story. No story with me and Dorothy. And me I got to tell life for you and all the things. So, yeah.
Tell me a lie, Palmy. Me never care. Alright, you're a legend. That not no. Come on, my team. Come on, my team.
Your team there on my side. Your team there on my side.
Come back over here, son.
Then now, no coming back to you. No coming back
big
to
up, Chef.
My team, I thank you so very much. Thank you.
Purple touch, me never know where they are purple touch.
You can't.
Big up, you know.
You cannot.
People on the top of the screen. People we have over.
Top screen.
Get me 200K likes.
Get me there.
People, come on.
Carry me forward. No, we're not listening to Trabass. We're not listening to Trabass, man. You know, we have the card. It's nice. But now, you can't, Trabass. Watch the Trabass. You can't. You will never you get the boy.
Come on, my team. Come on, my team. Y'all too. Come on.
No. Yes, boss.
You get 5 points off of me. Me feel away. I try you the man make you win. I try you the man make you win. Me not try you.
Yeah. We will have a lot of matches to play, sir. I feel the way.
All right. So me go give you some time now for you to talk to your people. So me go jump off my live and probably forward over there come watch you real quick. You come off now or you go depend. You got the
I mean, no, you have to tell me how it go. Me no know, remember me new.
No, normally you can just depend it at chill, you know. Them still can send a gift regardless. They look up pretty something, them still can send a gift regardless. So you can just depend there, tell them a story or talk about I experience something.
Me come back later.
Alright.
Later, yeah. And talk to them.
Right,
but thanks very much to all the support,
Yeah.
I'm going to call you now, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright, good.
Alright. Jesus Christ, me feel how we are. To all of us still. John, be a cold bump full me up right now. Nah, like, that was an experience to play a legend, you see me? Even though me and him talk, but it different fate, you know? I literally do this thing up on TikTok. You know, wicked to me, sir. Me nah laugh with none of man. I fool you tell me fight now. You make me win the first match by fire, I know. You make him man win me by way out. I give me 100, 200, and I laugh off of me. You all around and laugh. And me moderator. Me hurt. Even though I know I show him love, me hurt. Me bad mind him look a bit still. Cause me the one have that little hype. They say me win Alibi first time we go for live. But me still have that hype there cause me win the first match. Somebody screen record, you screen record the first match? And that me I got hype off of.
120 man a push pan it all way. Chamba, fuck up your rhythm pan the highway. This girl a call me come over to my place. Throw the casa me go in at the any. Girl a wine man a drop by your belly.